Hello, I'm Carla. Welcome to this meditation for releasing control and trusting the flow of life. When we try to control everything, we do it from a fear of pain, fear of uncertainty, fear of being hurt again. But control creates a resistance. Now, it's time to release that need to control and step into deeper trust with your heart, into the mystery that already loves you. And the resistance blocks the natural rhythm of the universe. It is against the universe. The more we try to force things to happen, the less space we leave for the miracles, synchronicity, and the grace. Sit straight and comfortably. Close your eyes gently. Focus on the board. Feel the space around you. Feel the space between your ears. Feel the space to your left. Sense the depth. Feel the space to your right. Sense the depth. Feel the space above your shoulders. Sense the depth upward. Feel the vibration. Feel the space behind you. Sense the depth of volume. Feel the space above your head. Sense the upward expansion. Feel the fullness of that space. Now, place your attention in the center of your chest. Breathe in and out. As if you are breathing through your heart. Bring into mind what you are being trying to control. Outcomes, timelines, others, even your healing. Now, sense them not as problems, but as frequencies. Let them flow in awareness. No need to fix. No need to grasp. Say silently, I surrender the how. I trust the field. I let go into nothingness. I surrender the how. I trust the field. I let go into nothingness. Dissolve into the field. No past, no future, no identity. Just awareness with infinite possibilities. In that silence, feel a surprising coherence rising. Connect to the future version of you. Already whole. Already calm. Already free. Draw the future into you. Trust. And let go. Now, feel your heart. Feel your body. Relax it into nothing. Be aware. Stay present with it. Feel the love and the energy from your beautiful heart. Begin to breathe slowly through your chest. As if breathing through your heart itself. Let this energy rise from the base. Feel the love and the energy from your beautiful heart. Begin to breathe slowly through your chest. As if breathing through your heart itself. Let this energy rise from the base. Guided by breath. Awakening in your brow. And settling in your heart. Feel the love in your heart. Feel the peace. Feel the joy. Feel the kindness. Let them empower your life. Strengthen your soul. And create a peaceful, surrendered future. Remember this feeling. Be grateful for your life. Receive the gifts of not knowing. And the blessing of flowing. Who do you want to be? Bring this heart trust into your life. Take a deep breath in and slowly come back to a new version of you, into a whole new timeline. When you are ready, you may open your eyes.